All right, YouTubers, this is Tommy's Bronco. It's Eddie Bauer. It's badass. But here's the real badass. Check this out. This is sickness. I don't know if I should call it the green machine or... Tommy, do we have a name for this car yet? It's got to have a name. If this was your car, what would you name it?
It's just a duster, man.
It's just a duster. It's going to dust some ass, that's for sure. Look at those meats. Yeah, nothing but wheel wells. The duster. Serious. This is all serious. And it's Mopar, baby. So Tommy's going to put a Holly on it and keep the carburetor. So what do you think he should put? What sensors do you think he should use on this engine for the Holly? Yeah, don't pay attention to all these crazy ass Mercury racing engines that are for that. Yeah, Tommy's got some sickness. Look, he's got the right wheels, the right axles, definitely the right tires. Guys, this is sick. Oh yeah. And this is a beautiful thing. Look at that. Check out that front end. Oh yeah. You can still smell the race gas. Hell yeah, brother. That is badass. Looks like it's towing the boat. The duster's dragging the boat. So it's transmission swap time. Tommy, tell me about this transmission. Who built it?
It's J&W Performance out of Cocoa.
Yeah?
Brand new transmission. Oh, look at that.
Gotta put a sensor in it. What? So you can put an electronic sensor on it, baby, and hook it up to the Holly. Got the new U.S. General box. Harbor Freight, baby. Oh, does this even have it? Nope.
Yeah, right here.
Oh, okay. It's buried in the back. Ah. All right. So Tommy, tell me about what you're doing. 11 years. You're a retired train engineer.
11 years. I've been trying to get this thing running. 11 years. I'm slowly working on it. A little bit at a time.
Slowly. 11 years. He's got more patience than Job.
Dodge, man. Dodge is tough. The parts are expensive. They're hard to get.
Yeah. All right. So tell us about Old Guys Racing. He's starting his own YouTube channel. As soon as he gets some content up, I'll send a link in this video to it.
Old Guys Drag Racing is just, I'm trying to get people together that want to go drag racing and travel around and go drag racing.
That's it. That's it. He'll be in his RV, killing it, dragging this thing. He's got a trailer to match, the golf cart. 100 tracks. You're going to do 100 tracks across America, right?
100. That's what I'm shooting for.
That's going to be awesome.
100 drag strips.
Yep. That'll be awesome. Who thinks he should do Power Tour and make it street legal? What do you say? Leave a comment. Would you make this street legal, do Power Tour or Rocky Mountain Race Week? What would you do? That would be epic, wouldn't it?
Man.
Can you imagine?
It'd be a job.
Yeah, you have it.
But it could be done.
It can be done. Hook it to the Holly, make it control everything, right?
It can be done.
Everything can be done. This car's gorgeous.
Done with your help,
yeah.
David.
That's right. We'll make it happen. Make it happen. Bring it to this shop. We'll go take it straight across to Darlington. What?
What?
Yeah, we'll make it happen. All right, so when's it going to be finished by? Give me a date.
Oh, man, no.
Come on.
I can't say that. I don't know when it's going to be done.
30 days?
It'll be driving. The car will be driving, but I gotta get the windows finished. I got to get the front end aligned. And just tighten everything up.
Tell me if you're hearing excuses.
Hey, that's what retired guys do.
That's it. All right, guys, what do you think? Tell me in the comments. What would you name this car?
70 Duster.
70 Duster. What would you call it? Woo! It's a beauty.